Hello, welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. You know what I might do? I might swap this to the other side if I can. There, that might be better. Anyway, so if you've been keeping track, I got this pet happy again. So I can continue with some disk drive issues. First, now that this is working, I will try and do a catalog. Look at that. Now, which disk is what? Okay, they are just normal disks here. Somewhere over yonder, maybe in here, maybe not in here. Just a moment. Hello, Penny. Somewhere I have some other disks that I had down here. Aha. Okay. Oh, come on. I've never had such a bunch of disks be so slippery. So slippery. Right here is a 1541 test demo disc. But hello Penny, it might have issues. I'm going to catalog D1. Yes. Oh well, it seems to be there. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this disk into drive 1. I'm going to put this disk into drive 0. And I'm going to say backup D1 to D0. Right, Penny? Yes, Penny. Oh, what do we got? What? CBM-DOS version 2. Yeah, I understand that. Alright, I'll close this door. Okay. Usually it gives me a chance to tickle the disk before. So we are trying a backup. We are... Well, I believe this drive is okay. I believe it is. But we shall see. Here's some of the other disks that I've used before to test things upstairs. And I think what I really want to do is set up... Oh, okay, it started to copy. Is set up and do the copy till you're okay program on a couple of things and let it run and let it see and let it go. But still, this is okay. This drive is kind of slipping inside. Oh dear. This is the drive that has the funny platter, or the funny thing that comes out of the platter. I still have to work on that. So I do have to, I think, go into the pet room. Not the pet room. I'm in the pet room. Go into the pool room and disassemble that pile of disk drives and start bringing things in. One, of course, for the family portrait, and those drives will pile up pretty fine. And I've got to, I guess, shuffle some other things out of here, but also assess some of the drives. But also, there is one, I'm pretty sure, that I can get at, that I can open up and see better what's what on that. It's a tiny thing that it's funny. It's so small, yet it is so critical. Because if the head is not aligned and it's not doing its thing, it's trouble. Trouble, 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 trouble. Trouble. Big trouble. So, we are backing up. You can see the lights are on. Now, back when this was, and you know what, probably it's like 40 years ago, I used this drive. Aha, in the TPUG mailroom. What do we got? Everything is okay. We're going to do a catalog D0. We're going to do a catalog D1. Okay. So we're okay. So these are done. I will set them here. And this is okay. Now this disc, this is one of the ones that was part of a bunch of things I got from Ideal Software. So that one has 173 blocks free. Good. Now, what is this disc? I don't know. Oh dear. Maybe it really is squirrely. Yeah, it's squirrely. Okay. So, I'm going to put these discs in their little envelopes. Keep them safe. This disc is weird. Funny, sometimes even though it's okay, things come up strange on the directory. Okay, so we are going to deload disk copy D0 to D1. Oh, right. Alright. I forgot to put in comma D1. And now it is loaded. Now it is ready. Now it is done. Now, that disk can come out. So just want to look at the program, sets the time, sets the DS not equals 0, then the error comes run, print DS, copy. If DS does not equal 0, then ER equals 0 plus 1. I am lost track. If this one does this, the P is greater than 5. What is P? I think this is the thing I want. Hang on. Oh, I'm tired. Copy 0 to 1. If DS is not equal to 0, then ER equals 0. Print DS. Right. Okay. I need to change this. So if DS is not equal to 0, then it just carries on and does it all again. Go to 35. So in 33, I can say print DS string. and then go to 70. Okay, so if ds is not equal to 0, then you go to 35. If it does equal 0, it should finish. It should say good. I'm good. So let's just verify. Catalog D0. Right. And this is, oh, gotta close the door. And this disk is squirrely. And you know what I should do just before? Because I made a change to this. I should desave quote. Oh, there's copy till okay. That's what I should have loaded. Anyway, copy, stop, done. You know what maybe I will do is, and this is different, I'm going to load copy till okay 8. And then it should go out and find it on drive 1. Alright, what did I do differently here? Right. Okay. We'll do it that way. So, I will put this disk into this drive. I will type run. It is now formatting drive 1. And once it has done that, it will try and copy everything from drive 0 to drive 1. And if I remember rightly, this disk might have had some issues, so it may never actually work right. But anyway, so this one is marked 2040, but of course it's been upgraded to a 4040. This is marked 4040, and of course it is a 4040. And I need to sort out this drive. Anyway. And I may end up taking one of these drives apart. Maybe. I have not yet decided, but I do have to go to the pool room and get at the pile. Alright, so things are happening here. No point in really watching over this forever and ever and ever. We'll let it go. But this, anyway, basically this little program, oh, do I hear things? No. It will copy, and when it runs into everything fine, it will stop copying. If it has errors, it will keep copying. And it's funny, I did it 2 different ways in those different little programs. I did, but it does the same thing. Oftentimes, there's more than one way in programming to accomplish the same thing. So we'll let this run, and we'll see you again. Above all, it is so good to have that keyboard working. I must get in touch with Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel and let him know that finally, the filthy keyboard has come to life. So keep that in mind. If ever you're doing a keyboard, when you first get the machine, if absolutely nothing works, be prepared for a very long process. As I said, this probably took 2 hours. There will be a time lapse. Maybe you've already seen it. Just make sure you get every single one, because you don't want to do it again. Remember, I cleaned this keyboard 4 times. Anyway, thanks so much for being here. Oh, my hand is in the way. Keep your stick on the ice. Bye for now.